Welcome to the best picks. The best aerosol straws is probably one of the most underrated inventions for improving your experience with aerosol products. From preventing clogging and extending product life to ensuring a more precise and controlled spray, these simple yet ingenious tools offer a surprising range of benefits that many people overlook. In this video, we will explore the world of aerosol straws, examining their various types, functionalities, and the key factors to consider when choosing the right one for your specific needs. Number 5. Spray can straw extension. Replacing your broken spray can straw is a breeze. Simply remove the old one and insert this new straw. It's quick and easy, even for first-timers. At 7.87 inches long, it gives you extended reach for those hard-to-reach spots. Spray with precision and ease. Made from high-quality plastic, it's flexible yet durable. It won't easily deform, ensuring long-lasting use and allowing for various spraying angles. Before ordering, please check the diameter. It measures approximately 0.087 inches or 2.2 millimeters. Ensure it's compatible with your spray can. These straws are perfect for home improvement and car maintenance projects. They're a reliable and long-lasting addition to your toolkit. What we like. It's quick and easy to install. You just replace the old straw with this one. Its 7.87-inch length lets you reach those hard-to-reach spots. If you need a durable and reliable replacement straw for everyday use, this is the one for you. What people say. It fit fine, but I did have to cut it so that it wouldn't be so long. These are great as you can use them with almost any can that would need plastic straw like this, but depending on the size you either cut it or leave it. I've found that these fit CRC Power Lube 9 ounces and PB Blaster 11 ounces, do not fit Liquid Wrench 11 ounces, but will fit the latter with just a mite sanded off of the circumference to achieve a snug fit, so I tossed a strip of sandpaper into the bag for when I have to prove myself to be smarter than an aerosol can nozzle. I needed some sturdy straws not for drinks but to use for rigging my line through swim baits for fishing. Sturdy construction and perfect hole size for your fishing line. Number 4. Aeroflex Aerosol Straws. This pack contains 15 replacement straws in various lengths and angles. They're designed for use with larger diameter spray cans, commonly found in automotive applications. These straws come in 45 and 90-degree angles. They offer superior spray control and fit many popular automotive spray cans. Choose from 3 custom lengths for precise application. It's like having a socket set for your aerosol cans. Easily cut these straws to your exact needs. Reach those hard-to-access areas with ease. The packaging doubles as a convenient storage case. Keep your straws organized and protected. These high-quality straws are manufactured right here in the USA. Enjoy superior craftsmanship and reliability. What we like. This one comes with various lengths and angles to suit different needs. It offers superior spray control, making it perfect for precise applications. If you're looking for versatility and precision in your spraying tasks, this is the ideal choice. Number 3. FS250 FlexStraw Replacement Straws. These replacement straws are perfect for reaching those hard-to-reach places. They fit all standard aerosol cans and come in a handy resealable bag. At 50 inches long, it extends your reach significantly. This makes it ideal for various applications, from automotive work to home repairs. It's compatible with all standard aerosol cans. Use it with your brake cleaner, lubricants, or any other spray can product. Its bright neon green color makes it easy to find, even in low-light conditions or cluttered spaces. You'll never misplace it again. It's perfect for a wide range of projects. From home improvement to industrial use, it's a must-have tool for any toolbox. This pack contains 2 50-inch straws, providing you with plenty of replacements. They are easy to use and store. What we like. Its extra long length makes it perfect for those really hard-to-reach areas. The bright neon green color ensures you won't lose it. If you frequently work in low-light conditions or need a highly visible straw, this is the one for you. What people say. This aerosol straw fits tightly and will not come out if you cut with precision. Do not use diagonal cutters. They will deform the straw, thus causing it not to fit properly. Damage to the product nozzle may result if forced into hole. I used a fresh razor blade and rolled along a suitable hard surface, taking care not to press too hard. This gave a perfect cut. I am using on CRC 656 and engine fogger. The straws supplied with these products are too short to reach into the spark plug holes on the marine engines I service. Now I can cut the length needed. These straws can also be bent to go around corners. Fits in most cans. I used for fluid film. If you leave the straw too long, it does tend to blow off and get fluid film all over. Not a problem with this product though, as it fits in the can as tight as the original straw, any tighter and it would not fit at all. I am a coffee enthusiast who likes specialty coffee and varying brew methods. To keep my coffee from all over the world fresh, I own Planetary Designs Airscape canisters with their ingenious lids that allow one to inject argon to replace oxygen. The one flaw to their system is when the canister gets low in beans, the red straw that comes with their argon dispenser is too short. Having two 50-inch straws allows me to have 8 12.5-inch straws, and that should last me a long time. Number 2. Aim-A-Squirt Aerosol Straws. Introducing Aim-A-Squirt Aerosol Replacement Straws. These flexible straws make it easy to apply lubricants and cleaners to hard-to-reach places. No more messy spills or wasted product. It comes with two sizes to fit virtually any aerosol can. They're perfect for lubricating hard-to-reach areas, cleaning electronics, or any other precision application. Each straw is 32 inches long, but you can easily cut them to your desired length. It's that simple to customize for your specific needs. These straws are incredibly flexible, yet they won't kink, no matter how much you bend them. Get the job done without worrying about breakage. It allows you to keep your aerosol can upright while you work. This prevents spills and ensures consistent application. They are ideal for precision cleaning of computers and electronics. Use it with air dusters for effective cleaning in tight spaces. These durable, chemical-resistant straws are made right here in the USA. You can trust in their quality and reliability. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, these straws are a must-have for any workshop or garage. They'll make your projects easier and more efficient. What we like. It's flexible and won't kink, allowing you to reach around obstacles easily. Its 32-inch length provides ample reach. If you need a flexible and chemical-resistant straw for precise applications, this is a great option. What people say. A great idea and well made. The red one fits almost everything I've used it with, but the yellow fits an air duster can I have that no other straws would fit. The yellow straw allows for the best flow when using a duster can. Quality product. The red straw fits perfectly inside the CRC throttle body air intake cleaner and the CRC mass air flow sensor cleaner. The yellow straw is slightly thicker and may be compatible with other aerosol spray cans. Number 1. SS51050 Starter Kit. This kit contains everything you need to easily access hard-to-reach areas. It includes straws of various lengths for different applications. You get 10 5-inch straws, 10 10-inch straws, and 2 extra-long 50-inch straws. That's 22 straws in total. It fits all standard aerosol cans. Use it with your brake cleaner, lubricants, or any other spray can. They're great for those hard-to-reach spots, small spaces, and even low-light conditions. No more fumbling around. Its bright neon green color makes it easy to find, whether it's in your toolbox or in tall grass. You'll never lose it again. From home repairs to industrial applications, these straws are perfect for a wide range of projects. They're easy to use and store. What we like. It comes with a variety of sizes to fit most cans, and the neon green color makes it easy to find. It also includes handy storage tubes. If you need a variety of lengths and easy storage, this is the best choice for you. What people say. The flexibility allows access with the can upright. Thus means you can use the entire contents and you don't need to contort to deliver where and as needed. Enables me to apply thin film with accurate results and little overspray waste. Good to have these in my toolbox as I always lose the straws on the cans. Neon green makes them easier to find if dropped. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.